Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. In this case, it's made by Ringke. It's the Fusion X. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Ringke Fusion X. This is the black case with the clear back. Now you can also get this in a camo look as well. And these cases fit the phone well, and they provide good protection. Okay, I've used them before. You're not going to go wrong with these cases. $12.74 on Prime. I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now here's the wrapper, the package that it comes in. Eco-friendly package as normal by Ringke. So they're pretty minimal when it comes to that. Pull this out, you get the usual card. It shows you how to put things on, and a little bit of advertisement there. We put that to the side. Now here's the case. It's a edgy looking case. As you can see, you got the black border, clear back, ridges on the side. You can hear that when I scratch it. So you got a lot of grip with this case, okay? Now this case is going to fit the phone pretty nicely. You got your buttons right there. You got your opening for your charging port and your mic and your speaker and your S Pen right there. Okay, so that fits pretty well. And you got a lanyard open right there, and you got some branding right there, a little bit of branding. And you got the lanyard on this side as well, and you have your power button there as well. So the camera is raised up and it's finished, so that's going to be protected. You got these little corners that act as feet, and they protect the back. Okay, here's the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now we're going to put it inside the case. Now, this usually fits pretty well, and so this one fits pretty snug as well. Feels good in the hand, so I don't have any complaints there. Even though it's got that boxy, that edgy look, it doesn't feel too sharp. And so everything fits pretty nice with that. You can get your hands around this, not too much bulk. Still fairly slim when you put it on. Now the case looks good on the device. As you can see, the camera area right there is set up. It's well protected. That's going to be an issue. Clear back, you can see through it, and you got your opening for your charging port and your mic and your speaker and your S Pen. You can get to that pretty easily, so no problem there. So that's pretty good. And everything lines up. You see the way the case fits the phone there. You got your little lip on the top and the lip on the bottom, so it's not too much, but it's going to integrate nicely in there. And it'll protect the screen when you put it on flat surfaces, okay? So looks pretty good. I don't think there's going to be an issue when you come protecting your phone. Okay, we got the wireless charger here. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Now, as you can see, it picked up wireless charge in the position when it's laying down. Let's go ahead and stand it up and see what happens when we put it there. And it does pick up wireless charge. You didn't see the animation, but it is pop up right now. So that works when it's standing up. Now let's lay it down and see what happens when we do that. This should pick up. So it picked up wireless charge there as well. So wireless charge works pretty good with these cases. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Ringke Fusion X case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Pretty good case, and it fits the phone well. And I think you won't have no problem getting some good protection with this case, all right? Now, if you got any questions, here in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.